Once again, please give the loudest applause for all new kijang Innova zenix.
Hello everyone, my name is Mizuma, and I'm in charge of the development for the new Innova. Thank you for coming, and finally, the new Innova is here. Now, let's explore the car together. The concept of this car is innovative multi-purpose crossover. Our aim is to develop a multi-purpose crossover with the spaciousness and usability of a minivan. Specifically, in addition to loyal users who have prioritized the status and comfort of the current model, we gave through consideration to designing a car loved by millennial families with global value. To achieve these points, we implemented a big-scale change to the platform. Specifically, we changed from a ladder-on frame to a monocoque structure. To complete it, we adopted a TNGA 2-liter engine and fifth-generation hybrid EV system to provide wonderful acceleration and overwhelming fuel efficiency. We also extended the wheelbase, reduced the overhangs, positioned the tire in the four corners, and extended the tread to provide a dignified impression. Now, the new Innova has 4 key selling points. The first point is a high quality and dynamic design. The second is the interior space and usability. The third point is the market-leading advanced equipment. And the fourth is a superior driving performance with high fuel efficiency. Now, let me explain the design concept, which is glamorous and tough. We shifted the styling away from a multi-purpose vehicle towards a sports utility vehicle with emotion and dynamism. Please look at the side silhouette. We created glamorous SUV-like styling by using large diameter tires, moving the A-pillar backwards, and tilting the D-pillar forwards. The front expresses the strength of a tough SUV-like. The combination of a large radiator grille and the bumper shape enhanced powerful modeling. For the rear, we broke away from the flat van-like appearance. We finished the rear into a 3-dimensional structure suitable for a surface with emotion and dynamism. We also prepared color variation that met the expectations of millennial family. Now, I would like to introduce the interior. It contributes to a balanced concept of a cockpit area, which encourages customers to enjoy driving and a simple, high-quality space. We were conscious of modeling in horizontal tone to create a spacious environment that gently enveloped the entire family. Additionally, in order to express high quality, we covered the components touched by hand with leather, including the seat. Also, to provide the driver with peace of mind, we enhanced the visibility by raising the eye point from the current model and enlarging the front side quarter window. The instrumental panel features are suitable for a premium multi-purpose vehicle. It is equipped with a 10-inch display audio, which can be linked with smartphone for enhanced convenience. The interior length for this model has been expanded to the longest in its class. Moreover, the seat slide distance for the second row has been expanded to provide plenty room for an ottoman. Other features including electric recline seat, panoramic roof with roof lining, and a rear seat USB port. In the third row, we enhanced the sitting posture due to a flat floor when 3 people were seated. We designed a shape that allows the passenger to rest their arm on the deck side trim, and we enlarged space around the passenger's waist. Finally, let me introduce the advanced equipment and the evolution of driving performance. For advanced safety equipment, Toyota Safety Sense package is available, as well as electronic parking brake to provide a greater peace of mind for our customer. To enhance the driving performance, we have applied a CVT transmission to absorb the shock of shifting gears, which matches engine compatibility for smooth response. Additionally, further refines are made to the power steering compared to current model. This means that the car responds to driver's intention even when parking, making tight turns, or steering quickly. Moreover, in case of driving on rough road, we tune the shock absorbers to prevent small vibration from being transmitted to passenger, thus achieving high traveling quality. In terms of driving performance on rough roads, we secure the same approach angle, departure angle, and ground clearance as the current model.